The all-new 2025 Cadillac CT5 will be available in two versions, Urban Sports Edition and Track Performance Edition, to meet the personalized needs of different consumers. At the same time, this model series will also offer three rich configuration options, giving consumers more choices when purchasing a car. In terms of exterior design, the new car boldly adopts two innovative vehicle colors, Wind Chaser Blue and Typhoon Green, and is paired with a black label kit to display a unique sporty style. The pre-sale schedule will officially start on February 18th, and it is expected to make a striking appearance at the Vday Performance Show to be held at the end of the month or early March. The unique charm brought by the Cadillac CT5 can be felt. While the new car inherits the classic elements of the current model, more refined optimizations have been made in the details. The Urban Sports version adopts the V-Shield grilled design, highlighting the vitality and charm of the city. The Track Performance version is equipped with a dragon-scale grille design and a new black label performance kit, making the track more passionate and energetic. In addition, many details such as the decorative strip at the bottom of the grille, the exterior rearview mirror, the decorative strip above the rear license plate frame and the tail logo are emphasized in the new car, further emphasizing the sporty style of the car. In order to keep up with the pace of the Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing, it offers two new vehicle colors, Wind Chaser Blue and Typhoon Green, and plans to change the latest Obsidian logo to make the entire car more stylish and dynamic. In terms of side design, the new car continues the fastback design concept, revealing a stable and dynamic body contour with delicate three-dimensional lines. In terms of track performance, the new car offers two configuration options, high-end and low-end. The high-end model is equipped with 18-inch 10-spoke smoke black wheels and 19-inch 5V smoke black wheels, while the low-end model is equipped with blue Brembo brake calipers, highlighting its excellent sports performance. In addition, a new 18-inch two-tone leaf-shaped steering wheel will be launched in the City Sports Edition to provide consumers with more personalized options. These design updates and upgrades not only enhance the visual experience of the vehicle, but also meet consumers' dual pursuit of fashion and performance. The rear design inherits the design features of the current models and incorporates more smoky design elements such as the V-shaped spoiler and dynamic rear lip, further enhancing the overall performance of the vehicle. In terms of interior decoration, the new car continues to use the original design concept, but more in-depth optimizations have been made in the design details. In the cockpit, the 33-inch 9K curved dual screen perfectly integrated with the HUD head-up display technology creates a powerful technological atmosphere. At the same time, the new car also features an advanced in-car system with excellent performance and smoothness, powered by the Qualcomm 8155 chip. In order to meet the diverse needs of consumers, it is planned to comprehensively upgrade the existing equipment, including the latest technology products such as 360 degrees panoramic screen, AKG sound system, and add a new maple syrup interior option. In addition, the new car also features many practical functions such as ambient lighting, wireless mobile phone charging technology, electric seat adjustment, ventilation, heating and massage, which fully demonstrates Cadillac's attention to detail and comfort. In terms of power configuration, the 2025 CT5 is expected to be equipped with a 2.0T turbocharged engine with a maximum output of 174 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 350 Nm, which is perfectly matched with the 10 at transmission. At the same time, the new car also features equipment such as rear-wheel drive, MRC electromagnetic suspension and MLSD mechanical limited slip differential, providing the driver with a smooth and efficient driving experience.